Hi there, are you tired of struggling with your belly fat? Don't worry, because today I'll show you the ultimate 3-stage belly fat diet plan that will help you lose that extra weight and keep it off for good. Stage 1. The first stage is all about detoxification. In this stage, you need to focus on drinking plenty of water, eating plenty of fruits and vegetables, and drinking herbal tea. These natural substances will help your body to flush out all the toxins that can cause weight gain, including belly fat. Stage 2. The second stage is all about building a strong foundation. During this stage, you need to eat a balanced diet that is rich in fiber, protein, and healthy fats. You should also incorporate more lean protein sources like chicken breast, fish, and tofu into your meals. These foods will help you feel full and satisfied for longer, which will reduce your intake of unhealthy snacks and drinks. Stage 3. The final stage is all about achieving your weight loss goals. During this stage, you need to focus on reducing your portion sizes and eating slowly. This will help you feel fuller for longer and reduce your overall calorie intake. You should also incorporate more high-intensity interval training workouts into your routine to burn fat and improve your overall fitness level. Remember, the key to successful weight loss is consistency. Make sure to stick to this diet plan for at least 3 months, and you'll be on your way to a healthier, slimmer you. Thanks for watching, and I hope this has been helpful. If you have any other questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below. Hey there, I can help you with that. The low-calorie density foods are foods that have a lot of calories for their size, like fast food or sugary snacks. Instead, choose foods that have a smaller calorie count per serving, but are higher in nutrient density. This means they'll provide you with more calories for your money, but still be good for you. Protein is also important during this stage. As your body starts to burn fat for energy, it will be important to keep muscle mass. Keep in mind that protein is not just for building muscle, it also helps with recovery and helps your body repair and build itself. So for this stage, aim for about 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight per day. That's a pretty good range for most people. If you have a higher or lower body weight, adjust the amount of protein accordingly. It's also important to pay attention to portion sizes. You don't want to be eating 1,000 calories a day and only be consuming 500. Pay attention to portion sizes and try to keep track of what you're eating to ensure you're not over-consuming. Lastly, don't forget to drink plenty of water. This will help with hydration and also keep your energy levels up. As you progress through the diet, you'll need to adjust your protein intake to keep muscle mass while still burning fat. I hope that helps. Let me know if you have any other questions.